It was 1975, the year which saw the formation of Saudi Cable Company in Jeddah. As a limited liability company with a capital of almost 3.5 million Saudi riyals, it became one of the vital industry, a fully owned subsidiary in the private sector, holding an important position in the industrial city of Jeddah, and the fruit of a joint venture between Zenel Industries Saudi Arabia and major global cable manufacturers. Since its inception, the company has built an integrated industrial complex. The company's facilities in Saudi Arabia consist of an integrated power cable plant and a telecable plant, in addition to a rod mill, a PVC plant, and a reel manufacturing plant. Saudi Cable Company offers a wide variety of products using the latest equipment and specialized cable machinery, including continuous dry curing of medium voltage cables, high voltage cable, and extra high voltage cable. This is in addition to being one of the largest manufacturers of low voltage cables and building wires, including thermoplastic high heat resistant nylon coated THHN wires that satisfy the requirements of the company's customers in the petrochemical and petroleum sectors. As a result of its commitment to the application of quality standards, such as ISO 9001-2008, it has been able to earn the trust of its customers in the local and international markets. The process of production complies with the latest local and international standards of quality, such as IEC, SASO, ASTM, and DIN. This has ensured customer trust. The production process starts by melting the copper or aluminum and transforming them into rods, in addition to manufacturing plastic materials that are produced in the dedicated PVC plant. Then the produced rods are moved to the next stage, where the drawing takes place to produce the required metal wires. These wires get transferred in groups of small pulleys or baskets to be twisted in what is known as the stranding stage, which gives the connector dimensions so that its diameter meets the required measurements. In the insulation stage, the insulation material, the PVC and polyethylene complex, gets extruded on the connector by specialized machinery. This stage varies depending on the required voltage of the cable. The insulation of the medium voltage cables consists of 3 layers of semi-conductive insulation with different thicknesses depending on the required voltage. Next is the assembly and filling stage, which gives the cable the flexibility required for installation and extension. High voltage and extra high voltage cables are isolated in the continuous dry heat treatment, where high quality insulating materials are used, and then go through the process of degassing in order to add durability and protection to areas exposed to pressure or mechanical stress. The product then moves to the armoring stage. Finally, it goes through the final sheathing stage, where information and specifications for the cable are printed and loaded into reels allocated to them. Quality is checked during all stages of production, starting with testing of raw materials, which is the examination and audit of all raw materials used to ensure the quality. Next come the interim test, where the product is examined after each stage separately. Then there is the final inspection, which is divided into 2 parts: routine tests conducted on the electrical properties of the product, and special tests conducted on samples of the product to check the physical properties. Many of the products are also tested in world-renowned laboratories, such as Kima and Chasey, to ensure the highest quality. Once the cable passes all required quality tests, the cable reel is prepared for delivery and shipping. The company employs qualified national technicians working in different areas of its plants in the kingdom and supervising the various stages of manufacturing, augmented by a management team consisting of experienced professionals in the areas of engineering and manufacturing. Through its training programs at its in-house training center, the company prepares its employees for the latest technologies in the cable industry and the best methods of manufacturing and safety in this area. The company ensures hiring of Saudi employees with appropriate qualification in the administrative committees who are responsible for the company's foreign operation and who monitor performance. After its success in the power cables sector and the manufacture of a full range of power cables up to 400 kilovolts, the company is in a position to provide comprehensive solutions from design to engineering, delivery, installation, testing, and operation, and can also arrange for needed financing for both current and future projects. In addition to the power cable products range, Saudi Cables produces control cable, fire resistance cable, signaling cables, thermocouple cables, and other specialty cable, which provide the necessary solutions for many factories and oil refineries. These cables are manufactured according to the latest technical specifications, such as AWG, UL, IEC, and BS. The company's successes also include excellence in the telecommunications industry, and today Saudi Cable is considered one of the main pillars of the telecommunications industry at the local and regional levels. The company has actively participated in many telecommunications projects in the region, supplying its metallic telecom cables. It is also one of the pioneers in manufacturing optical cable and modern connectors. The company has recently set up an integrated plant equipped with the latest machinery, including modern equipment and instrumentation for the manufacture of household fiber optic cable, or FTTH, coping with technological progress in the field of communications. The goal of this technology is to provide voice, video, and digital services with greater capacity and high efficiency. The company's ambitions did not stop at this point. Saudi Cable Company continued moving from success to success. All their achievements inspired the company to march ahead with its plan towards excellence, built on a reputation of being a pioneer in the areas of products and reliability, not only in Saudi Arabia and the Middle East, but also at the global level. The best talent and the latest technology and equipment in its factories are equally responsible for achieving excellence. The company entered into a partnership with Midal Cables in Bahrain, which is considered one of the leading manufacturers of aluminum bars and conductors at the global level. As part of its development and expansion plan, Saudi Cable Company was also able to acquire a cable manufacturer in Turkey in 1986, Demirer Kaplo Company. By the end of the year 2009, the company completed its plans for development and expansion of factories in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, and Turkey, modernizing production lines and expanding its plants, thus helping to raise the production capacity of Saudi Cable Company to the level of more than 300,000 tons, including all power cables of copper, aluminum, and communication cables, and fiber optic. Thus, the solid dream grows, powered by strong will and faith. Saudi Cable Company, born more than 3 decades ago, grew, and so did the dream, from one factory in the industrial city of Jeddah to a well-managed network of facilities spread over 3 countries, including Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, and Turkey. The company has been able to develop and achieve the success needed to compete with major European and Asian companies and assume leadership in the cable industry. As we expand around the world, with each product spreading a message of love and service to humanity, and the progress of human evolution everywhere.